Hello guys, today we will learn how to add a car light in Photoshop. First off, create a new layer. Go to the brush tool. The color is white. Make sure that hard round is selected and the hardness is 100%. Click here and decrease the brush size by clicking on the bracket on the keyboard and click. Now go to blending options. Keep on pressing the Alt key on the keyboard and move it to the right side. Click OK. Create another layer. Change the blending option to screen. Go to the brush. This time the hardness should be 0. Change the color. Make it orange. Click here. Increase the size of your brush. Click here. Now repeat the same process again. Now if you want it to be more bright, you can choose more bright color. Click here and here. And now it looks realistic. Thank you for watching.